pa mo ah.
Number 9 pass to Sopena, back to number 9. Number 9 is calling the ball. Number 9 pass to Gardon, pass to PJ. PJ, pass to number 16. 12 seconds to shoot. Easy Thomas by number 23, Gardon.
Ito lang lamang. Tira kay Tres.
Pass to number 8. Pass to Prongo. Prongo with a jump shot.
Naka-assist.
Our score is 36. 33 in favor of Thunders.
Ito na lamang niya.
PJ, pass to number 9, jump shot. No good. Rebounded by Maxo Peña, easy 2 points. Number 10, pass to number 4. Pass to number 8. Number 8,
Ayun na lamang.
Luka Magic. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Bravo, jump shot, no good. Rebounded by number 24. Pass to Sopena, pass to Gardon. Gardon is grabbing the ball, pass to PJ. PJ, wow, no good. Rebounded by number 24, pass to number 16, no good. 34, foul.
Bola.
Foul number 18.
Bola rip eh.
Running for penalty, Thunder, ayan na.
Sablay!
Kulang-kulang. Sablay ang unang draw ni number 31.
Yan! Si Bonbon!
Asa ang pangalawa.
Balong na talaga to.
Number 10, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 18.
Ribon!
Number 18, pass to number 21. Number 21, Rambo. Rambo nagkaano pa
Ibasa mo ang bowling
Nasa
ko.
number 21, pass to number 18.
Nice! Nice one, pare!
Number 9,
Apat na lang lamang.
PJ. PJ
Sablay,
ang
sablay, sablay.
nagpaitangan ng bola. Pinasa kay Gardon.
Sabli!
Gardon, pinasa kay number 16, pass to number 24.
No, bola!
Who's called that?
Nakakabalas.
Foul number 4, Rambo. Penalty tayo.
Katalawan na yan.
Pabili mangga.
Sablay! Sabi mo pabili mangga. Sabi mo pabili mangga. Pabili mangga. Sabi mo, sige mo, pabili mangga. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, pabili mangga! Ilang kilo! Tawa si kuya eh. 10 lamang.
Number 10, pass to
Ay, lima.
Number 8, hama ng bola. Pinababa si Kulags.
Suelo.
Number 8,
Suelo. Pasko lang.
pinasa kay Kulags. Pinag 2 points, no good. Kulags pa rin. Kulags.
Again.
10 seconds to shoot.
Amin. Pinababa si Kulobs.
10 seconds to shoot.
Liko, chow. 5 na lang lamang. 3 na yan.
40-35 in favor pa rin dito ng Thunders.
Pasay!
Very close. Very close.
Pasok!
21 Verabin.
Nice!
Easy 2 points.
Aringat. Kuya PJ, pabili bigas. 3 na lang,
24 seconds remaining time. Gardon with a jump shot. 2 points. By number 23, Gardon.
5 lamang eh, no? 5.
25 seconds remaining time. Sablay na rebound na magagawa. Pass to number 8, 3 points again. Sablay tapos.
Nakadalawang 3 na yan. Nakadalawang 3 na yan kanina.
Nagkagati ball back to Kuya TJ. 10 seconds to shoot.
Saan sila galing?
Pass to number 9. Nauli ay number
Nakahuli lang
21.
nila. Oo, huli
Easy
sila.
pass to number
Iba flight nila.
Foul number 9.
Kayo, sino kasama niyo? Si AJ. 2 seconds! Ay, 2 seconds! Gago.
2 seconds remaining time.